Let's ride. You know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video. Leave a comment. This section got washed off a little bit, so the line changed a little bit as well, but it's good. All of this was underwater for a few days a couple of weeks ago. You can tell by the debris. Yes, I'm riding my e-bike because my back has been weird since like 2 weeks ago. My behind my right hip, it hurts a lot. It's been getting better, but the pain's still there. So I just wanted a quick workout ride and hopefully put a little bit of movement on those joints, tissue, and get it back to normal. It stopped raining, but it is cloudy up there. We had like a 34% rain. That's all right. The thing is that if it's gonna rain, this trail is not gonna be out of commission for like 4 days at least. Especially during this season, December. It's currently about 78, 80 degrees, something like that. 76 maybe. So weather is perfect. Get slippery right here when it's wet. All this was underwater as well. And there's a pallet over here that got dragged in. This became a little drop. All right, this is the jump line section. And like I said before, I do not hit them all. Especially not with this back like this. This one is new, but it's a little steep. And then you got Frank's drop. Wooden berm. I don't hit the drop yet. You can if you want. It's a tabletop with a little bit of gap. I don't hit that one, and I do hit this one. What the hell was that? My rear wheel hit my saddlebag. And I lost momentum. I hit this one sideways. Then we have another line right here. Rider coming down. During spring and summer, this little section is crazy because the weeds get up all the way up to here. We have a little climb. See if I can fly a little right here. Yeah. Step up. Then I have another step up over there. Let's see if I can make it. There you go. This is my 5th ride in the past 2 months. However, the 3rd one this week. I gotta say, so out of shape. But here I am. There you go. Oh, my back, that felt good. Let's go through the hidden section. Man, water was all the way over here. Wonder if they started building that way. I was gonna do a second lap today, but it's like 1:20, and the two of my kids have soccer games today at 3:30. So I still gotta go home, take a shower, change, eat, then go. You guys know what that means, guys. If you made it this far, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check the affiliates in the description below. By the way, I'm gonna start putting in affiliates for AliExpress as well. Check those out. Really great prices. The only drawback is that it might take a few weeks to get here. So keep that in mind. If you're not in a hurry, highly recommend it. Either way, that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. And I'll see you here on the trails. Let's ride.